You don't need to forget to do these 5 things where I want to tell you for this video. After you upload your video, whether you are beginner or professional, everybody always do this. You know, if you come to my channel here, you go understand say for this channel I tell you about how to make money on YouTube, because I've been on YouTube now for years. Let me tell you a small story before you continue. My name is Jodoni. Now for this YouTube, I've been on this YouTube for years. I was trying to know the strategy, how YouTube works, so that when I start the business, I'm not going to have issue. I have some people channel where I'm going to help them to monetize, help them to manage all those in that time. So many of them, their channel have been monetized in my hands, and I see the amount where they make for YouTube. So I know the kind of person because I'm going to show you screenshot, say, hey, see amount I want to say. No, I don't go do those things. The thing I'm going to tell you is say YouTube they pay, finish. You won't hear, you don't hear. Now so it be YouTube they pay. The first time I'm going to check my first channel, every time I'm going to check the the money, because see, I want to see how much the thing they give me. At that time, self, I don't know anything because I they see say now things we are like doing. So when the money come, I can't see that I save that free money. You understand? They don't look at the side where I go to house around, they do anything. Even though I don't organize myself to way that creating the content self na part of my daily activity. So I don't feel like now money I go say this money they grow, every day the money they grow. I say wow, this is really nice. So now see something. So let me come back to my topic where I did here to tell you about. I just encourage you, make you take this business seriously. Now many people will tell you things for this YouTube, say do like this, do like this, do like this, do like this. Yes, they don't lie. But one thing I want you to understand is say YouTube they change their strategy all the times. The algorithm of YouTube they change all the times. So things will work yesterday, no free work today. But there are some that do so, they really change. So anytime you upload the video, you must make sure say you do those things. You understand? So let me tell you those things. Number one of those things is the thumbnail. Now I can't realize say to be a good YouTuber, there are 3 things you must master. If you personally you don't master those 3 things, create a team where everybody are specialized in one of those things. You understand? So those things, I will talk about those things for another video. I will talk about those things where you need to master for this video. So let us move on. Now, what are the things where I want to talk about? The first thing na thumbnail. I don't mention it before. Thumbnail. Create an attractive thumbnail for a video. Upload them. Now, before you go upload your thumbnail, for example, I see from my place, this place, yeah, for uploading thumbnail. If I no verify my channel, will give me access to click here and upload a photo from my own laptop. You understand? So now every person or now person will verify his own YouTube channel. Now that person they will give access to do that thing. Now how do you verify your own channel? If you come here for your own phone, I'm talking about laptop. Come here, if you click on this place, you go see say they go take you to another place where they will ask you to put your phone number. Yeah, you go put your phone number there, and before you know, they go send you a code where you go put for YouTube. They will give you 24 hours something. Now it's no, they know they reach 24 hours again. Before you know, they don't verify your channel. Then from there, if you upload thumbnail, if you do live streaming on your YouTube channel, so now you go upload a thumbnail that is attractive. Hear me, attractive. Like if somebody come on YouTube, they scroll. When they see your thumbnail, they go click on it. That's number 1. Number 2, now the title. You understand? So if you create a good thumbnail, you go write a title go attract people. When they read them, see the thumbnail, say wow, this video go make sense. Those 2 things. Now those 2 things go attract people to click on the video. The 3rd thing where you must do, that professional self are doing it, and what you call description. You go describe your video. Say something about your video. You understand? Say something about your video. And the 4th one, now the tag. tag na something with the very very important. So people don't understand tag. I'm gonna do a video for my channel here where I talk about tags. I explain what is tag, what is keywords. I explain all those things for that video. If you look for that video for my channel, make you watch them. So now you go put tag we describe or tag we fits. You go add tag we fit your video. Where you fit put tags, let me show you. Oh, I don't know talk since, but I know the show things, so sorry for that. Now for the description, and you go put on here. This is where you put the title. You see, put the title. So when you come here, go write the description for this place. This is where the description will be. Now this place you put the thumbnail. You understand? Then here now where you go put your tags. You see now? You see tags? Yeah, this is where you go put your tags. You see, this is where you go put your tag. So now you go put a tag where you go explain your video. Very very important. And the last one where go be the most important part is sharing your video link. You share a video link to others to watch. Maybe you have a WhatsApp group where they know say they talk about this thing. You create a group about that thing where they talk about on YouTube. So copy the link, go and share it in their own platform. See, the reason why sharing the link is very important is that it is going to bring external people to YouTube. YouTube like them, it like them well, but you must be very very careful because other platforms themselves, they don't want people to leave their platform. For example, now YouTube, Facebook does not want any link that will take people from their platform away. So if you don't know how to put your link on those platforms, they will still going to penalize you there. So you need to be very very careful. Now another thing will be dangerous when it comes to sharing of links is that when you share a link with people where you know say they are not interested on the domain you are talking about, they will spoil your channel because they know will watch the video to the end. They just on the video like this, not up to 30 seconds. They like them, the comments. How come you watch a video, you know reach 5 seconds? How you can't understand the video? You can't like and call the comments. And as they do that thing, they go come out. YouTube will know say these people they're the fake also. They're the fake us. That thing is a bad signal to YouTube. YouTube go shadow ban your channel. Very 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 important. Put it in mind. That's why I want to tell people that don't share your video with your family members. Share it with people with same mind, same vision with you. You understand? So those are the things I want to tell you about things you must do when you upload your video for the first time. Even the professionals are doing it. So as a beginner, try to do those things. If you have any challenge, write it in the comment section. And I have a question to ask you. All those things I mentioned now, I think that can help you to grow your channel. But what of VDM? VDM, when you create a channel, when you want to upload the video, you just finish the video, put them. You know, go write title, now dates where you upload the video, go shoot for the the title side. You don't do anything, but the video they go viral. What is the secret for that guy? You can even write it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye for now.